Hello. You may have seen that the National Center for Complementary and Integrative Health recently released its new strategic plan. This 5-year plan was developed at a critical time. We're living in the middle of not only the COVID-19 pandemic, but also multiple other crises. The opioid and pain epidemic, the obesity epidemic, rising rates of diabetes and cardiovascular disease. And these combined urgent problems make it clear that we must work together to identify new ways of thinking about research questions and to carve out additional pathways to health. Essential in this progress is NCCIH's continued commitment to advancing fundamental science and developing better cutting-edge methods for basic and clinical research. In a field such as complementary and integrative health, it is vital to be able to clearly understand how we can study various therapies and practices that are already being used by the public, and to do so using a whole-person approach. At every step, we look to involve our community in advancing this work. So I wanted to invite you to join a few upcoming virtual events. On July 21st and 22nd, we are hosting an NIH workshop on approaches to effective therapeutic management of pain for people with sickle cell disease. Researchers will explore critical gaps and research challenges, as well as brainstorm potential solutions to this seriously understudied pain condition in a highly underserved population. On August 25th, we invite you to join Music and Health, relating target engagement to clinical benefit, biomarkers for brain disorders of aging. This is the last of 3 meetings that will gather input from participants representing a broad range of disciplines, from the music therapy, neuroscience, behavioral intervention development, clinical trial methodology, patient advocacy, and art organization communities. The NIH Planning Committee will identify and catalog a set of reliable, broadly accessible biomarkers that will be used in future NIH-funded music-based intervention protocols. On September 29th and 30th, we'll be hosting Methodological Approaches for Whole-Person Research. Advancing rigorous research in this field requires robust methods to support studies on interconnected systems, multi-component interventions, and multi-system or multi-organ outcomes. The goal is to identify research methods from other fields that can be applied to whole-person research, as well as gaps, opportunities, and needs that could be met via new research. We look forward to working with you, the research community, to further develop the field of complementary, integrative, and whole-person health research. Thank you.
For more information, please visit nccih.nih.gov.